Welcome to Built by Maze. Today I'm replacing the HVAC dampers. They haven't been working properly and have been sending heat into areas of the house where it's not needed. I got a quote to replace them and it was almost $2,000. Instead, I bought 3 new Honeywell parallel dampers for under $700 on Amazon, and hopefully this fixes the problem and saves me some money. Okay, the first thing we want to do is shut the power to the furnace. So let's see if we can find which is the furnace at. Number 12. I removed the Honeywell control panel cover to access the wiring. Using a non-contact voltage meter, I test each wire to confirm that no power remains after shutting off the breaker. I then verified the line again at the damper control box. I prefer to take the extra few seconds to double check for my own reassurance. I removed the sheet metal screws with an impact driver fitted with a 1/4 hex nut driver bit. Using needle-nose pliers, I bend the extended sheet metal that secures the top and bottom of the damper. This allows me to freely pull the damper from the housing, giving me additional room to loosen the wiring from the motor box. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the old damper and the new Honeywell damper. The new damper features 2 large horizontal blades and a housing that measures 4 1/8 inch wide, while the old damper has 15 small vertical blades and a narrow housing. This is not a straightforward replacement, as I now need to cut a wire opening in the duct to properly fit the new damper. Using a level, I positioned the new damper to mark the width of the opening, then cut along the marked line with Aviation Snips. The cuts were challenging and required multiple passes, especially since the top and bottom edges are double metal. Afterward, I filed the edges smooth with a metal file. In hindsight, a Milwaukee nibbler would have made the cuts more efficient. Finally, I vacuumed all metal shavings from inside the duct and the floor, as they are extremely sharp. I insert the new damper into the duct opening and bend the aluminum tabs to hold it in place. Next, I pre-drill holes and fasten the damper securely with the sheet metal screws. I inspect the control box wiring to verify that the correct wires are securely connected to the damper control box. After completing the wiring, I seal all seams with HVAC aluminum duct tape to ensure an airtight connection. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next project.